Hi everyone, Ashik Mahmoud here. So today I'm gonna try to talking with my recent project called Allocate. So I'm gonna try to show you what's my application doing right now and what's the feature I implemented. So all about I'm talking today. So let's start to talk. So basically the Allocate is a software who helping the people organization to managing their resources, limited resources like meeting room, desks, or gym, I guess something like that, whatever they have, so they can manage with my software. So what is gonna working, so basically it's helping to overlapping the using the resource and a lot of things. So we will talk to later maybe throughout the viewing my application. So currently this is my application case study. If you want to visit here, you will see that, and also you will see the application all information, pricing, about us, feature, whatever. So basically I'm build it for my portfolio maybe, so maybe it's gonna help somebody, I don't know. So I just want to build it, that's why I build it. So yeah, let's see what's going on. So we're gonna click on try app, so it will redirect to my application. I don't know which roles is currently logged in my application. So there is three roles. There are three roles basically. The first role is system admin, second one is organization admin, and third one is a stub. So stub we're for surely associated by the organization. So let's see how it's going to work. So let's click on the try app. So yeah, it's loading. Okay, this is my organization admin dashboard for pro user, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a pro user because there has a limited showing and viewing ability of the pro and free users. So currently I'm just showing you the pro users. Maybe later on I will show you the free user. Maybe you can create account and see the free users availability. So okay, let's see. Basically this is the whole dashboard where have everything with the AI inside, I would say. So we just made it some word, sentence to understanding the what is going on in their organization. So as you see, if you want to see, you'll see that. And also the critical alerts. Critical alert means the credits. If any stop has the lower credits, so they will counting in here and also showing here with the name and also the top up button, so you can top up from here as well. So that's that. Maybe some of the features are missing here based on the logic or whatever we are doing. So yeah, currently we just viewing this healthy dashboard for this Nexus Mind organization. So let's see. As you see, the utilization, coverage, booking, critical alerts, and also the resource analytics. So which one the most demanded? So most meeting room A and highest demanded resource of this organization, and also the gaming rooms in second. So yeah, also we'll see the financial overview, like organization pool, how much organization pool is currently, how much assigned so far, and also the coverage ratio, spending this month only the 50. So top spender, this is the stop, so 50 credits he already spended, so it's a top spender. So also the credit coverage, severity, and also the staff engagement. As you see, the engagement, also booking status breakdown, how much currently is available, like confirm, completed, pending, or cancel. So all are gonna see here from the dashboard overview by admin. So that's a lot. And also the recommendation by our application, by our system. So what they need to do, what the organization need not to do. So a lot of things is going on. So yeah, let's see the other things of resource management. So I'm not going to performing anything today, I'm just going to show you what is currently doing. So basically this is the resource management tab option. So maybe this video gonna going a little bit long, so stay patient. Want to see interesting thing as well. So here, as you see, the resource management with the filtration is basic, and also you see the edit and mark as under maintenance. If you want to mark as under maintenance any resources who has already maybe the pending or confirm bookings, it will show you some information with that, like how much confirm bookings or pending request is available. If it's confirmed, so our system is automatically refund, because there is nothing wrong of that. The person who confirmed, who request for booking, and I confirm by myself as organization admin. So for that reason, so if I need to be make it this resource under maintenance, for surely this system will automatically refund the credits of that stuff. So that's that. And also the pending request, that's not gonna refunding anything, because our system is taking the credit after confirmed the bookings, otherwise not gonna take that. So yeah, that's that. And also on pending request, so request will be automatically rejected if the mark is under maintenance. So yeah, that's that also. And if you want to see the update rules, if you want to put the specific rules for the resource, you can put it here, like max. Maybe we need to add some information to understand what it's gonna means by max max booking hours, mean lead time, buffer time, and opening hours. So currently right now this is the place where organization admin can manage the rules of the specific resources. Max hour bookings, maximum 2 hours can book these resources. And also mid lead time, at least 1 hour before they need to request for book. And also buffer time after they finish the booking, so they have the buffer time like 15 minutes I guess. And also the opening hours, closing hour for this resource, we don't have 24 hours available the gaming room or other stuff. So also the slot duration minimum, it's just slot duration to showing up organizedly to the stop. So yeah, that's that. And also we put it here, we can allow or not. If we're not gonna allow it, just click to not allow the weekend. So yeah, that's that our rules. And also we have the disable. If I want to disable quickly, we can put it in here. Also the delete, we can delete it. So that's that in the resource management. And I go into the staff management. Staff management is another interesting thing. Right now we see that only one staff of this organization has, which is Laden. Laden is a staff on personal balance 20, so it's already logged in. Wanna do something in here from, like we can assign credits. If I want to assign this person the credit, so we can assign credit. Our available is 2270, so we can assign any in between. So yeah, that's that. So also everything is happening in real time using socket.io, like this notification and everything, also sending email, and also people can manage it, especially the organization admin can manage the email or notification stuff preference, so if he wants. So that's that. We're gonna see the revoke. If I need to revoke, if I send a stuff some some credits which I don't want, so we need to revoke. We can revoke from here as well. So also you want to see the edit user, though this organization admin can add the stuff, so they can also edit. And also the delete if you want, if this stuff is not going to work anymore in this organization, so we can delete as well. Also the view. So basically there is a lot of things is happening for pro, but in the free user is limited for surely, because free user is not gonna see this stuff as well. So all the activity with that person in here, also the almost all things you can find from the details page. Also the option that you see earlier is here too. So let's go into the other stuff. So booking management. So booking management is another step to work on. So basically as you see that currently the pending gaming room pending booking is available by Laden. So it's necessary if the organization admin put it auto manual confirmation, manual approval, so that if it's put in manual approvals, so all the booking is coming up in here, he can manage by himself. If it is the auto, auto approval, so they don't need to be pending confirm, so they automatically confirm the booking. So that's that. And let's see the what's happened to the booking management. So as you see the details page, where we see the details who are requesting for and everything, and also the confirm, the same things, but we can confirm and cancel if I want. So in free user you didn't see that. If you want to generate with the AI, he can generate. So also the reschedule, he wants to reschedule, he can for this user by request, because there is no option for staff to reschedule it. So yeah, that's that. And also even a view user profile, the same things basically, and cancel. Send reminder, mark as complete, it's happen, it's gonna see when user in the check-in mode, and also the send reminder will available if user is confirm mode, confirm availability status, I mean. So that's that in bookings. And also you move into the credit management. That's important because we are managing every credit here, and I see this everything like the top up, spent, whatever status we have for this specific organization, we can see from here as well. And also if I want to filter by those types of transaction, we can see that. And also the detail, I mean the quick overview of what's happening for credit. And also if I want to credit multiple users, we can do from here as well. So all the step will load here. If I want, we can send our credits by the in between the availability. So yeah, that's that in our credit management. Also the booking stats, as you see, the booking stats is another important thing. It's all are maybe in the pro user features. So you can see, you can filter by day, month, week. We will see the efficient metric, also the credit forecast for 75 days. It's basically happening based on what is going on in past, like how much credit they are spending in day. Based on that, this forecasting is happening. And also as you see the peak demand inside of bookings, which they are peak demand, which they are most booking happen. So that's we see here. And also the tip and total bookings, credit consumed, all the shortcut, I mean quick overview they can see from here as organization admin. Also the billing management, that's that, nothing so much. So we are moving to the billing management. As you see, the billing management is another important things to show. So here as you see all the current billing information, what's the power of that organization based on their plan. So currently he's in the pro plan, that's why he has this ability to do. And credit pool, renewal date, and also the Stripe provider, what the way they is made the payment, and also the status and everything. If I want to download my recent invoice, I can download from here and also see what's going on. So yeah, that's that. And also if I want to see the view pricing, we can click in here. Also on a talk to sales, we click here. And if I need custom planning, so I can request for the contact sales, and I will show you later on what is going. So basically initially when I click and get in touch, it will sending the thank you email this person, and the notify the admin in the email, and also the in-app notification. So in real time it's happening. So that's that in contact sales. And yeah, that's going on. And if he wants to extend, he can extend by Stripe and local bank payment method they can use, and also the duration he can select. Others we have. So based on that, he can extend their pro feature or pro availability, days. So yeah, let's go into the community hub. This is the 1 month free trial for free user, and in the pro user is available for all time. So basically this is another good stuff for organization. If they want to talking with anything, any matters, they can post in here all the stuff, all the organization admin, and talking in here, and also can the acknowledge post, or if organization admin needs some feedback or support, so they can put it, the staff can acknowledge the post here. So that's happening. And also the few details, if you want to see, you will see a lot of things is going on. So they can also messaging, the commenting in here, it's all happening in real time. So using the Socket.io, top contributors, trendings, post, and a lot of things is here also showing. If you want to see the view my post, you'll see your post in here as organization admin. And if he wants to change the visibility, he can change by clicking on that. If this organization admin can show this post in front of the system admin, he can click here, this post also come up into the system admin, the software admin. And also if he wants to remove disable the comments, he can disable from here. Nobody can comment, only this person, or the post author can comment. And also make it draft archive, and also the category, post type, and a lot of things is going on. So yeah, that is happening too. And also in filter, and a lot of things is happening for community hub. So that's that. And also the organization admin as a staff, so because he's virtually can book himself too, so for the reason he has this all option that helps for all stuff. So this all things I want to show you in the specific dashboard for staff. So that's that for organization admin. And yeah, another things, and this one is also handled by the system admin. If system admin wants to disable it, that's not gonna come up. So yes, all are dark mode supported, I guess. Internet is not so good. So showing this, is on. This is happening here. The notification, a lot of things is going on. So yeah, if you want to see you the details, also you can see from the profile details, where everything has like the company name, organization name, account details. And another interesting thing is weekly email reports. So if this, it's only for the pro user. If this organization admin wants to see the what's happening in last week in our organization, they just need to tick it, click it one, and our system is sending weekly, maybe in Sunday, every Sunday this system is sending the all around report of the organization. So that's another interesting thing. It's for only pro user. So yeah, that's that. If he wants, he can update their information of organization, and also that's important because based on that it's everything happening, like the slot, the booking, everything is based on that time, time zone. So that's important to change. So that is that. And also they can edit that profile as well, change password. Yeah, that's all about our organization admin. So maybe if because I'm not gonna perform, I'm just showing you what is going on because it's already a long video. So okay, we are moving to the stop dashboard. Okay, so we are coming back into the stop dashboard directly. So I don't want to show you everything because it's already a long video, so that's why I'm not going to show you the login and other stuff. So here, as you see, our stop dashboard is so minimal, nothing so hard. So you can see all the activity, the notification stop. So, and also the community hub by the word specific organization he is in associated. So yeah, that's that. And also you can see this, I don't want to show you, it's already I showed. So as you see the browse resources, available resource, you can see which inserted by the organization admin. He can book it from here without any issues. You can see the slot. Today is no slot, so if I go into the 22, so in Friday you'll see the lot of slot. If this resources is not allowing in weekend, so nothing is coming up in Friday. Based on that, what is the Friday or what is the weekend of that specific organization. So yeah, that's that. He can book from here directly. As you see, also can define with the eye. It's only the pro feature. If he wants to need more time, that's the duration that I already showed you in the organization admin dashboard, where it has an update rules. If you remember, where it has a slot duration, that's the duration, 30 minutes. So if he wants more, so you need to be update, and based on that the credit will be increase and increase. So currently this is the 10 credit per hour. So yeah, if he write a note and define with the eye, it's coming up. So already we have, and also the quickbook it's the all are doing by himself, nothing doing our system. If he wants to custom date trends, they can use the quickbook as well. If not, gonna go into the slot, show slot. That's that. And also it's a pro feature for availability calendar. You can see everything here in real quick. What is the current situation in this month by selecting the the resources, and if they want to booking anything in some sort of days, he can do by clicking in here. So he can see what is going on. He can only available slot is gonna show here, and he select some of the slot and booked by himself in future. So that's that availability calendar. And my bookings is my own staff bookings to managing, and as you see the pending, if he wants to cancel he can cancel, and also the view, and that's cancel, and also the reason showing in here, and also filter, and a lot of things is going on. So I'm going to show you the interesting things. Just wait, that's interesting things. I'm just quickly log into the organization admin and confirm this booking. So as you see, when confirm, that's come off. So when he notify me, click on it, so it will ask for permission. If I put that permission, so this will notify before the booking is start. Here is, you see the things for call the countdown. So when staff has the next meeting, or booking, so he will see it here. And after starting the session, the whole dashboard has changed. At least this area will see the live session, and also making everything green. That means it's going on the session, and session check-in is happening automatically based on the time. So it's controlled by cron job. So yeah, that's happening. And if he wants to dock right, left, so yeah, that is happening too, interestingly. And also as you see, the confirmed notification has come off in real time. And also the 15 minutes before starting the confirmation, they start the session, this will automatically come off the reminder notification by our system. So as you see, if I show you, so currently he can send a reminder message as well manually by system admin, and this kind of things is come off to the organization admin to saying the pending bookings reminder before. If is lot of pending bookings is available but organization admin is not gonna doing anything, so this one is sending our system to notify that you have a lot of bookings, you need to do some action or something. So that's that. And if you wanna go in here, maybe we have some thing to show, nothing in here. So book checked in. After session complete, it's automatically make everything normal. And yeah, that's that upcoming booking reminder, right? That's sending our system before 15 minutes of their session start. So that's interesting thing is happening right now. So that's our stop easy dashboard for action or whatever for booking. And we are moving to the currently system admin dashboard to show what's available feature for the admin. Okay, so we jump into the directly the system admin dashboard. So I just want to quickly show you the email stuff. So this email is doing sending our based on the action of organization admin and staff, and also this is our system email for the notifying our users. They have 1 day of subscription pro. After that they will automatically downgrade to the free, and if he has the more than resource or staff that's required the free user, so they automatically disable the booking system until they adjust their resource and staff. So that's why every day before the 7 days of expiring their subscription, so they can see this email. So it's every day sending by our system. So that's that. And also I want to show you some of the email template, like this one, the news late. It's coming up to the system admin when someone contact sales, sending the contact sales report from the billing. And also the welcome to when someone apply for the free trial, they can see this message. It's a simple stuff. So yeah, that is our email. Let's go into the platform dashboard. It's for system admin. He can see everything in here. So and quickly he see the total organization, platform user, lifetime revenue and monthly revenue, completed subscription, all the things as you see based on the graph, the pie chart. And also he can see the revenue in last 30 days based on daily and weekly if he want. And also the tenants and usage monitorings. If you click on it, you can see the top tenant and top organization with their availability and everything. And also he can go into the expired subscription if some of the subscription has expired, about to expire, he can see here. And also the inactive organization, if he wants to activate it from here, and also see that inactive organization in one place. And so the system health, he can see the system health currently database up and also API up, and if he got any errors, so that will coming in here. If it is critical, showing the critical and warnings and total. So everything last checking 9:44 p.m. right now 47. If I load it, it's kind of checking again, I guess. 47, it's checking again. So we are moving to the organizations. As you see, we can maintain or handle every organization from here as well. As you see with that option, we can see view details every organization, and also view their subscription. What is this? SSL commerce. Okay. And also the enable edit organization. If I click on it, if I check on enable it, that specific Veripco Ltd company organization, admin can see the pop-up, I mean the drawer where save for editing. So, and also the top-up credits, if I want to top up the credits for a specific organization, I can from here. So if I want with the custom money, like he contacted the system admin for giving me maybe the $10 credits, so I will give him the $10 200 credit or something in here, something like that. So confirm, if I confirm it, it will 200 credit added in that organization credit pool. And also if I want to change, I mean extending their expiry date, I can do from here. And if I want, I can change also into the enterprise. Nothing special in for enterprise, maybe some of the notification or something is extra for enterprise. Otherwise pro enterprise about to send, just the resources and stuff limitation is differ here. So yeah, that's a config. Top up credits, also extend trial only available for free user if I want, because when someone come to my application and create account, he will find a message for trial, start trial. If he start a trial, it will automatically start for 7 days. If I want to extend their trial, I can from here. And also if I want to verify and verify any organization, I can verify and verify from here, and deactivate. If I want to deactivate anything, I can deactivate. And also the delete organization, I can delete any organization if I want. So what will be happen if I delete? So basically every step can delete it from that organization, I mean soft deleted, and also the notification is entirely deleted, even logs also entirely maybe deleted. But if I restore this organization again, okay, before any step going into the other organization, all stuff will come and sending email that your organization has come back. Okay, if any stuff is moving into the other organization during the deleted time, so they cannot get back or restore. Only available stuff can restore, other stuff are not. So that's handled perfectly. We can think and make it happen. So that's the in also here allow trial. If I see some of the people is it's for spamming, and stop the spamming. Basically if someone just creating account and taking the free trial, so I can off that trial if I understand that people is scamming. So I just turn this off. They are gonna move back to the free trial as well. So that is happening here. Also I can manage users if I want with the filters, like user I can send the email for reset password of any users I want. So that's that. And also the view details, I guess this is the view details of that user Ashik Mahmoud, organization admin, credit pool and everything I can see in here. And that's that. And also I'm moving to the transaction and revenue. That's another things for system admin. So here you'll see the all things to manage of credit. Here the same thing of credit top-ups. If anyone contact sales and any company contact sales to admins, admin can change their plan from here as well by taking the money physically and not our system, because we have a two payment method currently implemented. One of the Stripe and the other is local called SSL Commerce. So they can payment from there as well, automatically updating everything based on the triad. But if they need something manual or custom, they can call to the system admin, and system admin can change from here as well. So what he needs, what plan he needs or something like that, what date he needs, or yeah. So if I show you something like Veripco Ltd, everything is come up, what's the current plan and what is the current subscription expiry date or everything. So if I want, I can change and make it extend, and also the pro, make it enterprise if I want. So yeah, that is also in here. I can see the details, what is there, what is the detail of this transaction. So I can see the details, who performed, and what is the gateway ID, transaction ID, gateway, and money in taka, money in dollar. A lot of things I can see in here as well. And yeah, that's that, a simple things of credit ledger and revenue analysis. This is another revenue analysis dashboard where we can see our all the revenue of paid user, and also we'll see the pro plan, enterprise, and everything. And we can filter by month, by organization, what organization giving what money, also the date and everything we see here necessarily. Yeah, that's that. And we're moving to the system logs. System logs is another important thing. We are logging every system activity by every user, every organization user, and everybody. So if anyone want to see, or anyone needs to see for proving or maybe security purpose, so they contact to me, I can send him as export to CSP. I don't know, maybe they can contract me to see log activity of a specific user or organization, so I can show him from here. So if I click on the details, I'll see the details, the user agent, IP, and a lot of things is going on. So yeah, that's that of our logs. And inserting is another important thing. If I want to make our application is availability modes, on availability mode, I mean maintenance mode, I can click here to make it happen. And also this one, the global message for every user. So if I want to show some message, like before I make it maintenance mode, I can show this maybe the 3 and 4 days before I start the maintenance mode, to see something like messaging, something like that. Maybe our application gonna go into the maintenance mode. If you have any pending anything to do, you can do so, something like that. So yeah, that's that. And also if I want to remove the dark mode option, so I can uncheck and save it, so all the user are not gonna see the dark mode option if they are in their application. And also the language and export system log or something. And also if I want to send any announcement to the users, I can send, it's gonna going into the directly in-app notification in real time. So based on that specific individual, all members, organization, admin only, everyone in globally, so I can send everything here with headline and message. So yeah, it's just broadcasting the in-app application to all users. That's that. And yeah, this that's all are in the settings. And if I go into the sales inquiry inside, I will see the inside of sales inquiry. It's coming up from the contact sales, as I already show you into the organization overview part. So here will be the sales inquiry. If someone sending the inquiry, it will come in here. I can see view the inquiries. If I want to change that based on what I did, like contracted, converted, and a lot of things I can do. And delete inquiry, if it's already closed, we can delete, otherwise not gonna delete. So also the things, and then the insight, if I need to see pending to later leads, and based on the countries pending, I mean status and company size, everything I can see from this state. And community hub, same things. If I want to show some message or post to the specific user or a specific person, so I can show from here, as you've already well known about that, because I already talked about it in the organization overview. So if I click here, I want to show you that what's happening, and people can message, a lot of things is happen here. So yeah, that's that our system admin overview as well. I'm so sorry that it's already long 40 minutes. Thank you whoever watching in last. And yeah, if you have any feedback or anything you want to share, so you can share. And thank you so much guys for stay with me in last time. So yeah, thank you.